Okay, so before the video starts, I would just like to talk about my skin progress. This was my skin April 30th, 2020. And basically what had happened is I had a bad chemical burn from what I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's a product that I don't use anymore because I was trying a lot of different skincare products and trying to experiment with things. And basically, y'all, don't do anything like that without talking to a dermatologist. I know that's probably hard right now with everything going on, but I really messed my skin up right here. But my skin made a comeback, and let's look at that. And this is May 9th, 2020. My skin did make a comeback from the chemical burn, and I'm so glad that it did. And I do still have some scarring on my forehead a little bit. That's going to be there for a good little while. So if you guys want to know how I got rid of the chemical burn and how I made my skin look much better, then let me know. Comment down below. Hopping right into it, I'm going to use my Modesa green tea makeup wipes. And in my opinion, they really don't do much, but I ran out of my regular makeup wipes, so I just used these instead. But for starters, ignore my eyeshadow. I was experimenting with black eyeshadow, and it didn't turn out that well, but that's okay because we're taking the makeup off, baby. We're not leaving it on. And in my opinion, these makeup wipes really don't get the makeup off that well. That's why I do like 2 other makeup removers after the wipes. But first things first, I just want to get a good amount of it off with some wipes. And next, I'm going to take some cotton swabs and my micellar water, and I'm going to use that to get off the rest of the makeup, and including the eye makeup. And with micellar water, it does help with your skin, and it does help to even out your skin tone, and it's also very well with getting makeup off. I use this second because I just want to get a lot of the makeup off before I use the micellar water. Like, the micellar water is like step 2 in 3 of makeup remover. Like, that's not a part, it's a part of the skincare, but it's like crucial and most important in getting the makeup off. You can put some more micellar water on in your skincare routine, but it's all about getting the makeup off at this point in the makeup removal routine. And if you have a nose ring, you know it is crucial to get up in that thing and clean it, girl. Okay, and last, to ensure that I've gotten all of the makeup off, I go in with my Pond's cold cream, and that's just to like finish the job with getting the rest of the makeup off. So the Pond's cold cream does a really good job with getting the makeup off alone. Like, I could use this without even using the wipes and the micellar water, and I get most of my makeup off. But I just take the extra precaution with getting my makeup off so my skin won't break out. And I would advise most people to use more than one thing to get their makeup off, because it can really help get majority, if not all of it off. It should get all of it off because you shouldn't go to sleep with any makeup still on your face. So look into that Pond's cold cream and the micellar water because it's a great combination. Okay, y'all, and this video was recorded a whole month ago, so I'm just now doing the voiceover, but I do not use the Ambi face soap anymore. There was nothing wrong with the soap, it's just I found something different. I've gone back to using the Noxema, and I found that the Noxema works really well, and it does just as good a job as the Ambi bar soap does for your face. So if you want, you can use the Noxema. That's what I'm doing. If you want, you can use the Ambi face bar soap. That's fine, because both products are very good products, so I vouch for both products. I just don't use the Ambi soap anymore. Then I'm going to put some of the micellar water on the rag to make sure that I get the extra glue that was on my eyes from the lashes off, so you don't want to keep that stuff on your eyes. Okay, and the rest of the video, majority, I'm just gonna let it speak for itself because everything in this video is pretty much self-explanatory, so you guys won't have to hear me talk the entire time, but you probably have heard me talk the entire time. I apologize, but we're just gonna let the video speak for itself.